Ready to unleash the power of decentralized finance on Polygon? First, head over to Quickswap's website. We need to connect your wallet. Click the Connect Wallet button, usually located in the top right corner. Choose your preferred wallet. MetaMask is a popular choice and follow the prompts to grant Quickswap access. Now, for the swap. In the swap interface, select the token you want to trade from the From dropdown and the token you want to receive in the To dropdown. Enter the amount you want to swap. Pay attention to the estimated output and slippage tolerance. Slippage is the percentage difference you're willing to accept between the estimated price and the actual price due to market fluctuations. A higher slippage tolerance means your transaction is more likely to go through, but you might receive less of the desired token. Want to earn passive income? Navigate to the pool section here. You can provide liquidity to a trading pair. This involves depositing an equal value of two tokens into a liquidity pool. In return, you'll receive LP tokens, which represent your share of the pool. You'll earn a portion of the trading fees generated by that pool. Need to bring assets over from another chain? Use the Polygon bridge. Select the token you want to transfer and the amount. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and wait for the bridging process to complete. Remember, bridging can take some time and involves gas fees on both chains. Explore advanced features to maximize your returns. Many yield farms are available to stake your Quickswap liquidity pool tokens. Just ensure that the smart contracts are audited to avoid impermanent loss. Finally, be mindful of gas fees. Polygon typically has low gas fees, but during peak times, they can increase. Monitor network congestion to optimize your transaction costs. Now you're ready to navigate the world of Quickswap. Happy trading, and stay tuned for more DeFi tutorials.